For millennia, people have been fascinated by astronomy. The changes of the moon, the planets, and the stars. Whether around a campfire under the canopy of stars or during a visit to the 100-year-old Greifswald Observatory, people are spellbound by the night sky. In earlier videos, we began to explore the tradition of astronomy in Greifswald more closely. It began with the foundation of the monastery in Eldena in the year 1199. And in the year 1465, a blue sun was observed in Greifswald for the very first time. Due to fortunate circumstances, historical records, such as those by Johannes Hevelius of Danzig, survived in the Greifswald University Library for centuries. Andreas Mayer and Lambert Heinrich Röhl are considered the founders of astronomy in Greifswald. The first observatories arose with them, and the first dated sundial from the year 1762 on St. James Church is still functional today. Greifswald's most distinguished astronomer is Paul ten Brüchekarte, who investigated the changing stars like those of the Pleiades. In our anniversary film Part 1, we reported about the annual meeting of the Society, which included the presentation of the Conrads Award for Astronomy and Aerospace. Part 2 reported on the anniversary celebration in the auditorium with friends and sponsors. Due to high demand, a separate summer festival for the general public was organized in the historic inner courtyard of the university. The perfect opportunity to meet new people and admire the 100-year-old instruments of the observatory. The professional conference, the 16th annual meeting of the astronomical institutions of the federal state of Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, marked the end of the anniversary year 2024. Henning Schmidt from Rostock, the co-founder of the annual meeting, opened the conference for teachers and friends of astronomy from the whole state on October 26, 2024.
100 years of the Observatory Greifswald, that is a long time span for humans to keep track of. It is a process involving many generations, and it fills me with joy that this tradition has been going on for this long already. Next to the Remplin Observatory near Rostock, the observatories in Greifswald belong to the eldest ones in our federal land. It is also a good thing that the generations before us could preserve the many observatories in our federal land, and that these observatories still play an important role in educating the broader public. Before I want to come to a close, I would like to convey the greetings of Professor Manfred Schukowski, who is already 96 years old, if I remember correctly. He has his 100th anniversary coming up shortly. He still has a sharp mind which allows him to follow our many activities. Even though he can't be here in person today, he is here with us in spirit.
Founded in 1992, the Greifswald Observatory Society promotes the maintenance of the historical Carl Zeiss double telescope and fights to keep astronomy as a school subject in Mecklenburg-Vorpommern. The more than 60 members regularly give guided tours through the observatory with viewings and offer public talks. Family tours, company excursions, or field trips are also available upon request. We look forward to your visit and another fascinating 100 years of the Greifswald Observatory.